Ready to take control of your crypto and move it from Crypto.com to your very own DeFi wallet? First, open your Crypto.com map and tap on Accounts at the bottom right of your screen. Now, locate the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Ensure you have enough of that crypto available to cover both the amount you're sending and any potential network fees. Tap on the transfer button, then select Withdraw, followed by External Wallet. Next, switch over to your DeFi wallet app. Find the Receive button, usually located prominently on the main screen, and tap on it. Choose the same cryptocurrency you are withdrawing from Crypto.com. Your DeFi wallet will then display your unique receiving address for that crypto. Copy this address to your clipboard. Go back to the Crypto.com app, paste the DeFi wallet address you just copied into the address field. Double check the address to make sure it is correct. A typo can lead to irreversible loss of funds. Enter the amount you want to withdraw and carefully review all the details on the withdrawal confirmation screen. Paying close attention to the network fees, tap Confirm to initiate the transfer. The transfer time will vary depending on the blockchain network. You can usually track the progress of your transaction using the transaction ID provided by Crypto.com. Once the transaction is confirmed, you'll see the crypto appear in your DeFi wallet. Congratulations, you have successfully transferred crypto from Crypto.com to your DeFi wallet. Remember to always protect your private keys and practice safe crypto habits.